Hello everybody, today we are going to be replacing the cabin air filter in our 2020 Mazda CX-30. So this is the air filter that we're going to be using. It is from rockauto.com. There is the part number and let's get to it. We're going to start by opening up the glove compartment and taking out anything on the top rack that may be in the way. So there is a cover to the air filter. It has 4 buttons underneath that you're going to be pushing down and pulling outwards as shown there, and that's what it's going to look like. This is what the air filter is going to look like, and here these arrows down here are representing the airflow, and we're going to be pressing these 2 buttons, pressing them, this one down and this one up, and pulling outwards. That's what we're going to do for the one in here currently. It is this little black compartment. So this is what our old one looks like. As you can see, the new and old are of similar sizes and thickness. Yeah, make sure the arrows are pointing downward as so, and you're just gonna slide it into the old, where the old one was, and hear a click or not. But if it feels like it's in there, it should be good. We're going to replace the cover on. That click, and then place everything back in, and you're all set. Once again, here is the website and the part for the cabin air filter that we used on our Mazda CX-30 2020. Link will be in the description. Thank you for watching.